That's the original color.
They're talking about the door handle.
That we had got. And see.
Everything looks good.
It doesn't look rusted out at all.
Nope, the heat chamber looks good.
Do you have propane hooked to it?
Not yet.
Okay.
I mean, there probably is, I just haven't tried it.
Okay.
I haven't tried anything propane in here yet. That was doing low on the list of totem poles of things to worry about.
Mm-hmm.
Building that wall, that was kind of a priority, yeah.
I bet. Wow.
Did you do that cutout yourself?
Those up there, no, those were
Oh, okay.
but I built the walls around it.
Yeah.
So everything from that door around to here was replaced?
Yeah.
This comes a long way from that camper that you had at Sonny's. I mean, at Tom's. You are Sonny. Remember the snake?
Oh, yeah! That was a fun camper. Me and my mice. I had lots of mice buddies. Got mice every day.
What is this? Just a little vent?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just a little window vent.
Uh-huh.
Thing's got tons. You open up all the windows in here, and then the breeze just.
Oh, I love these kind of windows.
It just flows, and they all seal. They've all been rebuilt.
Uh-huh.
Everything in this thing's been rebuilt.
Yeah, you worked your tail off on this.
For the last 5 months, that's all done.
Yeah.
We're working on this and get it done.
Yeah.
And I'm right there at the edge.
Mm-hmm.
I can, little mock neck stuff. And once I find out if this works, then I'll find knobs for it.
Yeah.
Up until that point, I'm not.
Well, I'm on the Silver Streak forum too, so I can ask about that. It's a
The Princess.
Princess. Okay.
Model 700. There's no reason why it wouldn't work. I mean, Jesus, stuff like oven looks brand new in it.
Oh yeah, that's in good shape.
Yeah.
A lot of people never use them.
No. So there's really no reason why it wouldn't work. The other one that I have over here has the same stove, but it's a different model number.
Uh-huh.
So the knobs are shorter.
Uh-huh.
This has long shaft knobs. The other one has short shaft.
Okay.
Actually. Oh, must have put them back in over there. Yeah. Put them back in.
And what model is this?
This is a Shasta Deluxe.
Shasta Deluxe, okay.
19-foot Deluxe.
1963 you said?
1963.
Awesome, awesome. Tom,
Yes,
door mirror.
yeah. We just went through an episode with Albert and Cindy. There was Albert and Cindy.
Albert Cindy, thank you.
Wonderful.
Connecting me with Albert.
They wanted to take
Jeez.
those sticky things and put a mirror on the bathroom door, and I said, no. Beth said, well, put a mirror. I said, no, absolutely not. The answer is no. You don't put any sticky stuff on
Awesome,
anything.
awesome rig.
Albert wanted to mount a pillowcase to hold to the wall. I said, no. I said, these walls are particle. They're not wood, they're not drywall. It's particle to this. Anybody whatsoever. And Beth said, well, I want to be able to do my hair, go through the years, just want to do back my hair, and then I let her talk. I said, are you done? She said, yeah. I said, the answer is absolutely no. So we get to Walmart, and Cindy and I kind of stay away from them.
Is this 20 amp?
What's that?
20 amp?
Yeah, I don't know.
Oh.
30, let's just say 20, yeah.
I think they're usually 20.
Yeah, because it only had one wall plug.
Okay.
So we just left them in Walmart, and we just wandered back.
Oh look, he even did the hubs. So cute.
Right,
Ha ha ha! Jokes on Tom.
At least you don't have to worry about whacking your head off every damn thing you ever want to run into.
How tall are you to Sonny?
6 foot. Need to be 6'2".
You need to be 6'2" right now.
Yeah, 6'2" would be perfect. Nah. There.
I don't think I could do it.
Anybody watch the old guy fall off the stool?
Why not?
Well, he really hit kind of hard, didn't he? It took him a while to get up.
I'll have it on video.
Yeah, that's great. His insurance company. There. Hey, look, the original refrigerator cooler.
Oh yeah, yeah, right there.
With the ammonia still in it.
Wow.
Ain't that a kicker?
I can't believe I forgot to put the mic on this damn thing.
This is 1961.
Uh-huh.
That's 1963.
Okay.
They're both the same.
They didn't do much changing back then.
But it don't have original lights on it though, does it? I would
no.
say not.
No, they're not original.
Nah.
Somebody's changed something along the way. They changed a lot of things in this one along the way. There's 2 electric heaters in here.
This is 1961 Shasta. It looks like it's in pretty decent shape actually though. Huh?
Hard.
You know, it doesn't even really look real.
It does in the dark.
When you're a dog person, we're talking shit here.
We're talking, I found this in there the other day.
You found that in there?
Yeah.
And you thought it was real?
Well, yeah, because it was dark. And there was possums in there.
Oh my gosh.
It's a possum poop there, brother.
3
Ew.
possums to be exact. We have video.
Oh my gosh.
So is this one you're taking to Halloween?
Yeah.
This is really awesome.
My tires on my...
Okay, we're going to look at this one. What year did you say this was?
61.
This is the 1961 Shasta. My brother got it to renovate it. Of course, he's going to take a break after finishing up on the other Shasta. He spent 5 hard months working on it, which puts me to shame, but oh well. It works too. Oh well. But we'll take a little tour of it. That's sliding. Oh, okay, I see. The panel slides the whole way over this way. It's kind of dark in here. And they said they got possums out of here the other day. These things are actually very roomy. How many feet is this?
Same thing, 19.
19 feet.
I mean, it really can't move.
Nah, it's not going to go anywhere.
So here's what it looks like in rough
It
condition.
takes about an hour and a half to get ready. So it's like, it was 10:30. Oh, when I went off to the door, they're sitting there in their t-shirt and underwear on the computers, and I said, "Senator, I can go down to Sunny's." Oh, well, yeah, it's 10:30. Well, you plan on just sitting here all day? Wow. So
Nice. I'm not going to try to open it. That's where the fridge would go. You'll probably get another fridge like you did the first
Did
one.
her thing, walked through, she wanted to make it a cake store.
okay.
It's very neat. He will make this thing sparkle like a jewel.
And there's a couple leaves on the floor.